Hello, good morning to all. I hope you are familiar with all the concepts regarding artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, soft computing, big data, analytics. Now, today I would like to discuss about data mining. Data mining is one of the most useful technique that help entrepreneurs, researchers and individuals to extract valuable information from huge set of data. It is also called knowledge discovery in database. Knowledge discovery process includes data cleaning, data integration, data selection, data transformation, data mining, pattern evaluation and knowledge representation. In data mining, it finds hiding patterns from the data. The process of extracting information to identify patterns, trends, and useful data that would allow the business to take the data driven decision from huge sets of data is called data mining. The process of extracting information to identify patterns, trends, and useful data that would allow the business to take the data driven decision from huge set of data is called data mining. Means it finds patterns from data. Therefore, the business companies have to take the decision for the enhancement of the business. It is helpful to take the decisions for the business. Data mining is the process of investing hidden patterns of information to various perspectives for categorization into useful data which is collected and assembled in a particular areas, such as data come from various sources, data warehouses, efficient analysis, data mining algorithm, helping decision making and other data requirement to eventually cost cutting and generating revenue. Data assembled and collected in data warehouses, efficient analysis, data mining algorithm, helping decision making and other data requirement to eventually cost cutting and generative revenue. It is the act of automatically searching for large stores of information to find trends and patterns that go beyond simple analysis procedures. It utilizes complex mathematical algorithms for data segments and evaluates the probability of future events. It predicts the future events. It is also called knowledge discovery of data. Means it collects, gathers knowledge about data. It is also called KDD. It is a process used by organization to extract specific data from huge databases to solve business problems. It primarily turns raw data into useful information. After applying data mining techniques on raw data, the outcome of data mining, it is the useful information which is help to business to take the decisions. Data mining is similar to data science. This process includes various types of services such as applications of data mining, text mining, web mining, audio and video mining, and pictorial data mining and social media mining. These are the latest applications of data mining. It is done through software that is simple or highly specific. By outsourcing data mining, all the work can be done faster with low operation costs. The biggest challenge is to analyze the data to extract. Data means huge amount of data is there, big data. The biggest challenge is to analyze the data to extract important information that can be used to solve a problem or for company development. There are many powerful instruments and techniques available to mine data and find insight from it. This is the life cycle. Identify data. Business goal, that is identify data. Identify data first, prepare data, model and evaluate data, present data, and achieve the business goal. Means it will study the data, it reads the data, identify the data, pre-processing data is required, then model and evaluate data, builds model, evaluate data, and present data. Types of data mining. Relational databases. You know relational databases. Tables are stored into rows and columns. Data warehouse. It is the technology that collects the data from various sources within the organization to provide meaningful business insights. The huge amount of data comes from multiple places such as marketing and finance. The extracted data is utilized for analytical purposes and helps in decision making for a business organization. The data warehouse is designed for the analyst of data rather than transaction processing. Data repositories. This repositories word is familiar to IT people. The data repository generally refers to a destination for data storage. All the files of same categories are stored into one group, that is called repository. In IT, various repositories are available. IT professionals utilize the term more clearly to refer to a specific kind of setup with an IT structure, a group of databases where an organization has kept various kinds of information. Object relational database, a combination of an object-oriented database model and relational database model is called an object relational model. It supports classes, objects, inheritance, etc. All the features of object-oriented it supports. One of the primary objectives of the object relational data model is to close the gap between the relational database and the object-oriented model practices frequently utilized in many programming languages, for example C++, Java and C#, and so on. Transactional databases refers to a database management system that has the potential to undo a database transaction. It is not possible with any other databases, but in transactional databases, here you can undo a database transaction if it is not performed appropriately. Even though this was a unique capability a very long while back, today most of the relational database systems support transactional database activities. Advantages of data mining. The data mining technique enables organization to obtain knowledge-based data. It enables organizations to make lucrative modifications in operation and production. Compared with other statistical data applications, data mining is a cost efficient. Data mining helps the decision making process of an organization. It facilitates the automated discovery of hidden patterns as well as the prediction of trends and behaviors. It can be induced in the new system as well as the existing platforms. It is a quick process that makes it easy for new users to analyze enormous amounts of data in a short time. These are the advantages of data mining. Disadvantages. There is a probability that the organizations may sell useful data to customers to other organizations. For example, Facebook utilize our data, they share our data to other companies also. Many data mining analytics software is difficult to operate and needs advanced training to work on because it is not familiar. Data mining Veka software is there. Many data mining analytics software are there, but it is not familiar with the users. Different data mining instruments operate in distinct ways due to the different algorithms used in their design. The selection of the right data mining tools is a very challenging task. To identify which algorithm is used for which type of data, it is a challenging task in data mining. The data mining techniques are not precise, so that it may lead to severe consequences in certain conditions. Data mining applications: healthcare, fraud detection, CRM, market basket analysis, lie detection, financial banking, education, manufacturing, engineering. All the fields have data mining applications. These are the fields which data mining is implemented. Healthcare: analysts use data mining approaches such as machine learning, multidimensional database, data visualization, soft computing, and statistics. It can be used to forecast patients in each category. Patients get intensive care at the right place and at the right time. Market basket analysis. Market basket analysis is a modeling method based on hypothesis. It assumes if you buy a specific group of products, then you are more likely to buy another group of products. It is implemented in bazaars and malls. This technique may enable the retailer to understand the purchase behavior of a buyer. Therefore, they arrange the products as per this market basket analysis. This data may assist the retailer in understanding the requirement of the buyer and altering the store's layout accordingly. Using a different analytical comparison of results between various stores, between customers in different demographic groups can be done. Data mining in education. It is an emerging field, educational data mining. EDM objectives are recognized as affirming students' future learning behavior, studying the impact of educational support, and promoting learning science. An organization can use data mining to make precise decisions and also to predict the results of the student. With the results, the institution can concentrate on what to teach and how to teach. Manufacturing, engineering, it also use data mining in CRM, customer relation management. It collects the data and analyzes data. Data mining in fraud detection. Data mining provides meaningful patterns and turning data into information. An ideal fraud detection system should protect the data of all the users. Data mining in lie detection. Apprehending a criminal is not a big deal, but bringing out the truth from him is a very challenging task. Law enforcement may use data mining techniques to investigate offenses, monitor suspected terrorist communications. This technique includes text mining also, and it seeks meaningful patterns in data, which is usually unstructured text. And the information collected from the previous investigation is compared and a model for lie detection is constructed. Text mining, different data mining techniques, applications are there in text mining, web mining. Here, text mining is implemented for lie detection. Financial banking, one of the application of data mining. It helps bankers by solving business related problems in banking and finance by identifying trends, casualties, and correlations in business information and market costs that are not instantly evident to managers or executives because data volume is too large are or are produced too rapidly on the screen by experts. The manager may find this data for better targeting, acquiring, retaining, segmenting, and maintain a profitable customer. Challenges of implementation in data mining. Various challenges could be related to performance, data methods, and techniques. The process of data mining becomes effective when the challenges or problems are correctly recognized and adequately resolved. Noisy and incomplete data, distributed data, complex data, performance, data privacy and security, data visualization. Noisy and incomplete data, it is the one of the major challenge in data mining. Incomplete and noisy data, data distribution, to different locations. Complex data, it is heterogeneous, could be multimedia data, audio, video, images, complex data, spatial data, time series, and so on. These are the types of data, and it is hybrid data. Managing these various types of data and extracting useful information is a tough task. Performance, data mining system performance relies primarily on the efficiency of algorithms and techniques used. If the designed algorithm and techniques are not up to the mark, then the efficiency of the data mining process will be affected adversely. Privacy and security, data privacy and security. If a retailer analyzes the details of the purchased items, then it reveals data about buying habits and preferences of the customers without their permission. When you search any products on Amazon or any website, e-commerce website, they analyze your habits, what you search, what you like, and they suggest other similar products to you. That is, without your permission, they analyze your habits. That is of data privacy and security. See, it is a serious issue. Without your permission, they share your data as well as analyze your behavior. Data visualization, it is very important process. It is a primary method that shows the output to the user in a presentable way. The extracted data should convey the exact meaning of what it tends to express, but many times representing the information to the end user in a precise and easy way is difficult. The input data and the output information being complicated, very efficient and successful data visualization processes need to be implemented to make it successful. Visualization tools are efficient visualization tools are required. Nowadays, it's available. Tableau is used to visualize the data. Excel is there. This is the brief introduction of data mining. First, it is data mining, then after implementation of AI, machine learning is there. Machine learning, big data analytics, machine learning, and then we go for deep learning. I hope you understood all the concepts. Thank you.